Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Dabaria. I am from Jaipur. I am pursuing my masters in chemistry from IIT Jodhpur and I had done my graduation from SS Jain Subodh College Jaipur. Today I discuss the topic is the Cannizaro reaction. Cannizaro reaction. Cannizaro reaction. That reaction is the important reaction in the organic chemistry. From here, from the Cannizaro reaction, we get the aldehyde will be converted into the carboxylic acid and the alcohol. So let's see how it's. In this we use the aldehyde. Which one? Aldehyde we use those does not have the alpha hydrogen. Let's see. As single bond C double bond O single bond hydrogen. In the presence of KOH, we use convert into the carboxylic acid C double bond O single bond OH plus alcohol or single bond hydrogen single bond hydrogen. In this reaction we use aldehyde. It is the two molecule of aldehyde here, and the one will be converted into the carboxylic acid and the one is the converted into the alcohol. So here we say that the from the aldehyde one is the converted into the carboxylic and one is the converted into the alcohol. So we say that here that it's here happening the oxidation. We study already do the about that aldehyde when converted into the carboxylic acid, then we say it is the happening oxidation and here the reduction. So we can say here the their reduction and oxidation both happening with simultaneously. Then we say that here what is happening? Redox. We say the redox reaction. From here we say that the Cannizaro reaction is the redox reaction. From now we move over the mechanism of this part. The mechanism part of this reaction will be happening in the three steps. In the first step, we use the nucleophile, those the KOH. We use the strong base. The O minus will be attached on the carbonyl compound, and from here we get our dianion part. In the second step, we use the dianion. Those we get from the first step. We use the dianion. From there we get the carboxylate and the alkoxide. In the step third, we get from the alkoxide and the carboxylate ion, we get our product. Let's see what is happening in the step first. The nucleophilic attack on the carbonyl compound. What is our carbonyl compound here? The aldehyde. So we use here KOH. The negative charge, we know that in this reaction in the KOH, the K positive charge and the oxygen has the negative charge. From here, the negative charge will be attached on the carbon, that will break the double bond and the oxygen get the negative charge. So from here, carbon, O negative, hydrogen and OH. And again we use our OH minus. From here, that what is the do here? The abstract the hydrogen and make here the dianion part. C double O negative, hydrogen and O negative. Here make our dianion part. Dianion. So in the first step what we do here? From the we attack the oxygen, negative charge will be on the carbon and break the double bond and is converted to oxygen negative, and after we use again the base OH minus will be abstract from the hydrogen and we get our the dianion. Let's see what is happening in the step second. In the step second, we use with the help of the diene. What is the conversion of diene into the alkoxide and carboxylate. How it's happening? Let's see the diene part. As single bond O negative, single bond hydrogen, single bond O negative. Here, in the starting, we say that we use here the two molecule of aldehyde. One we use the also in this reaction, and we use second molecule of aldehyde. That's another one is the here. What is the work here? We know that if the oxygen negative charge will come here and the hydrogen kicked out from here, the hydrogen kicked out from in the form of H minus, that the hydride form. That the hydride will be attached on the this carbon and kicked out from break the double bond, and it's made like that H single bond, C double bond O, single bond O negative. That is the our carboxylate. And one is the alkoxide. H single bond, C O negative, single bond hydrogen. From here, in the step second, what we will do here, we use the diene. From we get the step first, we use the second molecule of the aldehyde. The oxygen negative charge will come in the reaction and kick out from the hydrogen. Those will be moved from the in the hydride form, and the hydride negative charge will attach on the carbon. That's break the aldehyde double bond and carbonyl double bond. The break, and we get the from second molecule of aldehyde we get our alkoxide part, and from the first we get the carboxylate. In the step third, those are important step. From the step third, we get our product. And but what happening in the step? What is the help of what from with the help of what we get? So now protonation of carboxylate into carboxylic acid, and alkoxide into alkoxide into alcohol. So now, with the help of carboxylate, H single bond C double bond O, single bond O negative. The H single bond C oxygen, single bond hydrogen, and hydrogen positive charge. Those present in the reaction. What I mean, the negative charge of oxygen will abstract the hydrogen, and it's converted to the C double bond O, single bond OH, the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. And another, the alkoxide. H single bond C, single bond O negative, single bond hydrogen, and hydrogen. That plus H high water. Use here the water. What is here? The next term will be abstract the hydrogen and make the alcohol. H single bond carbon, single bond OH, single bond hydrogen, and hydrogen. That is the alcohol. So from in the step third, we get our the product. So now in the we conclude our this Cannizaro reaction. What we discuss? We discuss first that we use the two molecule of aldehyde. Those does not have the alpha hydrogen. From here the step third, we do the OH minus will be attached on that and the break double bond and make O negative charge, and again we use the base, then it's convert that's it abstract the hydrogen and in make the diene. And after that we conversion of the dienes in the alkoxide and the carboxylate. And then in the next step that we use the another molecule, those are the aldehyde. From here the negative charge will be come in this way and abstract the kick out of the hydrogen that is in the hydride form. In that we get out the carboxylate and the alkoxide. From here we what will do the protonation of the carboxylate and into the carboxylic acid and to the alkoxide into the alcohol. So from here we conclude that we get our the product carboxylic acid and the alcohol. So we just completed our topic. Thank you.